So-Car Repair, So-Car Garage. Today we'll be installing this True Fiber deck lid that I got from, truefiber.com, and it's gonna go right here. So just kind of give you an idea what it will look like with that emblem off. So first things first, we're gonna move that out the way, and we're gonna go ahead and clean up the edges where the 3M tape is gonna go. So, well, really I'm just gonna clean up this whole surface, but most importantly, where the emblem is gonna sit, or where the Decklid is gonna sit, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up those areas. So first things first, gonna pop this off. I think I might need like some string or a pick or some shit, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that picked off there or removed, and we'll go from there. All right, so this is true carbon fiber. It's not like wrapped or anything. So what comes with the package is this cool lanyard, true fiber lanyard, which I appreciate. Comes with an alcohol pad and of course the product itself. So let's go ahead and tuck that under there. Like I said, clean this surface so we can get it prepared for install. I'm gonna grab like some all-purpose exterior car cleaner, wipe this down, and after that I'm going to go ahead and prepare the edges with the alcohol. So I'm gonna try the screwdriver. I've never taken this off before, so I don't know, we'll see. Alright. Alright, so it's pretty much gonna sit something just like that. I'm gonna do it with the trunk open, just because it's a bit easier to get my leverage and stuff. I use a C-clamp to like keep the pressure down on a 3M tape once I get it on here. So I peeled the 3M tape back just so I can have like a piece of it sticking out, so I can align it and then put this lid on. So you can see I had these C-clamps on, keeping the pressure down on the 3M tape. So I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and I'm just gonna kind of reposition it. First I had them here, now I got them at the sides. So I'm gonna get a way to put some weight down on the top, so that way I could secure the top piece of the 3M as well to the actual lid. But this is the best way that I found so far to Alright, so this is what it looks like once it's fully on. I think it looks pretty cool. But I can't even press that in, so it's fully seated. Everything's good. Alright, so it's finally on. It's actually a pretty simple install. Once you get the lid actually lined up, you want to just do what I did when I kind of peeled just like a piece of the 3M tape off. That'll be like, so it can be exposed, like you can be able to kind of line it up without risking getting the 3M tape dirty or kind of getting it stuck and having to reposition it, because that'll make the adhesion like weaker. So most importantly, prep the surface that the adhesive is gonna mate to. That's the most important step. Just making sure that you clean off the surface Actually looks pretty good. I like how it looks. I like this a lot more than I like the silver emblem that's on the back. So yeah guys, pretty simple install, only took a few minutes. Had not been recording, probably only took about 20 minutes to do. But that's it guys, until next time. So car repairs, car garage, peace.